My name is Liz Mullen. Today I'm going to teach you how to make baked chicken with mojo. Okay, look at the color now to the gravy. It's more brown. See, the leftover before it was more of a yellow, and now it's browner. I'm going to go ahead and take that piece out to the side and place it back over here. So we'll place it right back in the bowl so we can use it. Every little bit counts. And you're going to just shake it up like that. And there you get some nice brown gravy to go with your chicken. I'm going to place the chicken back in the oven now and get it back to a little bit more color. I'm going to brown it just a little bit more. It's come apart here and there, but it's great. You know why? Because it's just real juicy and well done, and it's just moist, and it's going to be delicious. Okay, so we're going to place it back in the oven for a little bit. That's the breast part. The good thing about this is you don't even have to cut it.